Prison Break star Wentworth Miller has come out as gay. Hey guys, it's Chloe, and HollywoodLife.com has all the latest details. The Prison Break star decided that it was his time to publicly reveal his sexuality after being invited to attend a film festival in Russia. He wrote an open letter that said this: "Thank you for your kind invitation. As someone who has enjoyed visiting Russia in the past and can also claim a degree of Russian ancestry, it would make me happy to say yes. However, as a gay man, I must decline. I am deeply troubled by the current attitude toward and treatment of gay men and women by the Russian government. The situation is in no way acceptable, and I cannot in good conscience participate in a celebratory occasion hosted by a country where people like myself are being systematically denied their basic right to live and love openly." The newly passed anti-gay propaganda law has quickly stirred up controversy, with people calling for a boycott of the 2014 Winter Olympics in Russia, to gay bars in Los Angeles and New York holding up, quote, vodka dumping protests. And earlier this month, Lady Gaga even tweeted her own outrage over all of this. And Madonna was unsuccessfully sued by conservative groups in Russia for violating the propaganda law in St. Petersburg after she said during a concert there last summer that gay people should be, quote, treated with dignity. Wentworth's courageous admission had celebrities flocking to Twitter to voice their support. This is what some of them said. Neil Patrick Harris wrote, "Well done, Wentworth Miller, bravo." Rose McGowan wrote, "Happy for Wentworth Miller." And then also, Tom Ballard wrote this: "This week we've had Darren Young and Wentworth Miller come out. This gay army we're amassing is going to kick Russia's arse." For more on Wentworth Miller, subscribe to ENTV. And for more on Prison Break, click here. And for more celebrities coming out as gay, click here. For all things Hollywood, log on to HollywoodLife.com and stay tuned to ENTV for all of your entertainment news first.